KC channel presenting today's video research aptitude for UGC NTA NET examination for commerce management research methodology subject MCQ. Research problem selected from the standpoint of researcher interest. Eliminate other, not because of financial support, not because of availability of relevant literature, only because of researcher interest. Which one is called non-probability sampling? Quota. More than 5 times same questions repeated. Formulation of hypothesis may not required. No need, may not. Hypothesis not required in normative studies. Field work based research is classified as biographical. Field work biographical. The F-test one-tailed as well two-tailed, both one and two-tailed. Principles not applicable to sampling, not applicable. Sample units must be dependent on each other, no need, not applicable. This point will not come in the principles of sampling. These all points is right, clear. Sampling, the sample units clearly defined. Same should be used throughout the study. Likewise, the process not needed in experimental research, not reference collection. Experimental research, apply the law, time of field of study. It is not applied, please note it, it is experimental research. Research problem is not feasible, not possible. Independent and dependent variables consist of independent and dependent variable. Objectivity of research enhanced. All these points: validity, reliability, impartiality. Action research, more than 6 times these questions came in the previous exams. Research carried out to solve immediate problem. Action, immediate solution. Factorial analysis, difference among many variables. Factorial analysis, difference among many variables. Historical research, exploring the fact, historical research. Not needed, process not needed, manipulation in experimental research. Manipulation is always a part of fundamental research. Manipulation, fundamental research. Correlation coefficient, the correlation of coefficient, relationship between creativity and intelligence. 1. Source of data not based on primary data collection. Remaining all are primary, this only secondary. National Family Health Survey. Common test in research depends. Objectivity. Common test in research depends on objectivity. Administrative style of institutional effectiveness. Applied research. To conduct a research, to find out which administrative style brings more effectiveness. Applied research. Normal probability curve should be zero skewed. Normal probability curve zero skewed. The term is associated with the process of correlational study. Phenomenology. Correlational study. Phenomenology, correlational study. A research paper is a brief report, both primary and secondary. Conducting a research, the steps, formulation of hypothesis is followed by selection of research tools. After this, it comes. Research is conducted to generate new knowledge. Eliminate this one. B won't come. A, C, D. This among the four A, B, C, D, only A, C, D is the right. Develop a theory won't come in research. Hypothesis is the assumption, supposition. Research is not considered ethical if it does not investigate the data scientifically. Ethics means investigate scientifically. First step in starting the research process, searching the sources of information to locate the problem. Investigate the working efficiency of nationalized bank. Multi-stage sampling. Multi-stage sampling. Two or more successive footnotes. Expression IBID. Footnotes. Two or more successive. Research ethics do not include subjectivity. Ethics and subjectivity, no relation. Others are come. Integrity, objectivity, honesty needed for ethics. Probability sampling. These are all non-probability. Convenience, judgment, quota, non-probability. Only stratified is probability. Repeatedly coming. Select, identify incorrect statements. This is incorrect. All the statements are right, only this is incorrect, wrong statement. Steps in research. See this 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, identify a problem, listing, objective, methodology, collecting data, analysis, results. 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6. This is the 6 elements. Working hypothesis. What do you mean by working hypothesis? Provisionally accepted hypothesis for further research. Thank you, friends. Subscribe my channel. Update all the UGC and commerce business management subject materials for your reference in my channel. Thank you. Thank you.